Good afternoon to you. I have good news for the people of Chichester and other unfortunate ones that have suffered from flooding recently, because I think in the week ahead you'll have a chance to dry out. Mind you, it's going to remain fairly unsettled. There will be rain around, but most of the rain now is going to shift up to the northwestern corner of the country. At the moment, though, we find ourselves in a run of northerly winds, and they're pretty cold, as a matter of fact, and they are bringing along some wintry showers. On the earlier satellite picture, we still had that finger of cloud across the south. That was all the rain we had yesterday, but it's been moving away, and now, as you can see, we have a scattering of showers feeding down the North Sea and into the Irish Sea as well, and that's equally shown on the radar. Fair number of showers in the north of Scotland, the odd heavy one there coming into Northern Ireland. Now, many places away from the north-facing areas will actually have a dry and quite bright afternoon, but there'll be a fair number of showers across Northern Ireland, the north of Scotland, running down the coasts of eastern England as well, and the odd one coming into North Wales and the far southwest. And those showers, as time goes on this afternoon in the more northern parts, will turn more and more wintry. So I think we're going to end up with a fair bit of snow probably over the Scottish hills, as well as on some lower land in the far north and in the Northern Isles. We're going to keep those northerly winds throughout the afternoon, quite strong as a matter of fact, over northern Scotland up to gale force in the Northern Isles, so they're going to peg temperatures down. It'll be quite cold, around about 4 or 5 degrees. Those wintry showers are going to continue around north-facing coasts during the evening and night. Heaviest, I think, around Lincolnshire and down into Norfolk. Could be quite a bit of snow again over the Yorkshire moors there and the Lincolnshire wolds. Away from those coastal areas, it's going to be a cold night. There will be a widespread frost, quite a sharp frost as well. And then tomorrow, the main thing is that we're looking for a frontal system to come on late in the day from the Atlantic. So some wintry showers for a fair bit of the time, probably in the extreme southeast there. Otherwise, the rest of the country having a fine day, but it will cloud over in northwestern parts. Some rain will come in from the west, windy weather with it, and that rain will be preceded by some sleet or snow, especially over the hills. And then tomorrow night we can expect another quite sharp frost, I think, especially in the more central and southern parts of the country, and then masses of isobars for Tuesday, a weather front coming in from the west. So we're going to have some windy weather, especially in northern and western areas, and we're going to have a band of rain followed by brighter weather with showers coming down across most parts, although it's not going to get to the southeastern corner of England, where it should stay dry and fairly bright. In fact, there could be a touch of frost there again on Tuesday night, 1 or 2 sheltered spots in the north as those showers move away, also getting a frost. And then that front creeps on Wednesday, weakening all the while, but it could well give a little bit of rain or sleet in southeastern areas before it finally moves away. And then it's a bright picture for all parts of the country. Windy in northern areas, a cold wind too, and there'll be a fair number of showers, more particularly in those northern and western parts, and those showers once again turning wintry, especially over the hills. Some frost again in central areas on Wednesday night, and then we have a repeat performance. Another frontal system coming in on Thursday, again bringing outbreaks of rain into those northern areas